आजकल इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स काफ़ी धूम मचा रही है इंडियन मार्केट में, बट इट्स मोर सीन इन द लग्जरी सेगमेंट जहाँ पे बायर्स आर मोर विलिंग टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स। और आप देख सकते हैं आज हम लेकर आए 3 ऑफ द लेटेस्ट इलेक्ट्रिक लग्जरी कार्स टू हिट द इंडियन मार्केट. And the main reason to do this comparison, well, of course, this is the BMW iX1 long wheelbase. First time BMW has introduced a locally assembled X1 for the Indian market in electric form. और जो प्राइस है, धमाकेदार प्राइसिंग की उन्होंने 49 लाख रुपीज़. तो उसके साथ साथ BYD is also a disruptor in this market. Sea Lion 7 है उनकी latest SUV, pricing around 49 lakhs to 54 lakh rupees, single dual motor. And of course, so how does this compare to one of our favorite EVs, which is the Volvo C40 Recharge? This video is all about that. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, and we'll tell you everything you need to know about these 3 luxury EVs in the Indian market. पहली बात आपको इन तीनों गाड़ियों के बारे में आपको एक इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूँ. व्हाई वी हैव असेंबल्ड दीज 3 कार्स एंड हाउ दे रिप्रेजेंट द चेंजिंग इलेक्ट्रिक लग्जरी कार स्पेस. वेल, ऑब्वियसली अगर हम इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स के बारे में बात करें, BYD इज द डिसरप्टर इन द इलेक्ट्रिक कार सीन. ग्लोबली ऑल्सो दे हैव बीन मेकिंग वेव्स. इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स में दे आर बीटिंग इवन द लाइक्स ऑफ Tesla in some markets as well. So yes, BYD is a big name, and the Sea Lion 7 is the latest SUV. This is more like an SUV version of the Seal sedan. 49 lakhs to 55 lakh rupees is the pricing. Single and dual motor में आता है. Dual motor में आपको, wait for it, you get 530 bhp. Unthinkable for this amount of power at this price. It is also the biggest car in this trio that we have assembled. Really long car. Wheelbase is the longest. Lots of features and lots of tech. So quite an interesting car. Now let's talk about the iX1 long wheelbase, because it's the main reason we are doing this 3 car test anyways. Because when BMW announced the pricing, हमें लग रहा था कि यार ये कैसे BMW has done this pricing. 49 lakh rupees makes it the most affordable BMW that you can buy in India. In fact, Fortuner से भी सस्ती है ये BMW. Just think about that for a moment. How has BMW done this? It's a long wheelbase car. They have locally assembled this car. Imported iX1 से dual motor से single motor कर दिया है. But they have kept the X1 packaging. They have made it longer. Space ज़्यादा है. It's a bit more comfort and it's towards the mass market luxury car में, क्योंकि इस segment luxury segment में most are chauffeur driven. This car is aimed at that. But it is still a good car to drive. Well, let's find out later. And of course, Volvo C40 Recharge. Volvo stopped selling petrol versions of the XC40. The C40 is also available only in electric form. Is the coupe SUV version of the XC40. Looks really nice, loads and loads of power, and has its own unique design elements as well. So yes, these 3 are important and very interesting cars. So let's go for a drive in each of them and tell you why they are so different. Let's start with the newest car, जो कि है Sea Lion 7. यहाँ पे जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, सिंगल डुअल मोटर दोनों आपको मिलता है. दिस इज़ द SUV वर्जन ऑफ द सी. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट मेक्स दिस डिफरेंट एंड हाउ इज़ द ड्राइविंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑल अबाउट. पहली बात, दिस इज आई एम ड्राइविंग द डुअल मोटर वर्जन. यू कैन गेट अ सिंगल मोटर एज वेल, बट डुअल मोटर इज द वन दैट रियली ग्रैब्स द हेडलाइंस. 530 bhp, I am saying it again. It is actually that makes it one of the most powerful cars in this price bracket, because 530 bhp is no joke, and that means 0 to 100 is under 5 seconds for something so heavy, so big, a big electric SUV. The performance is absolutely ridiculous. ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस आपको सुपर कार में मिलता है, which means if you put your foot down, the car absolutely flies. और आपको even eco mode with the car is very fast. So yes, performance you get. What about the other aspects? Well, यहाँ पे आपको 82.56 kWh बैटरी पैक मिलता है. Range, now compared to other 2 cars, range is a bit on the less side, because obviously this is a dual motor performance version. The range is a bit less than the single motor, but again you will get near sort of 400 real world, which is pretty good. But again, it's all about the performance. What about the other aspects? Well, ride is pretty comfortable. अगर मैं बोल ओवरऑल नॉइज़ इंसुलेशन दैट्स ऑल्सो क्वाइट गुड. बट इम्पॉर्टेंटली इट फील्स लाइक अ लग्जरी कार. आप ऐसे नहीं, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं 80-90 लाख की गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ. द क्वालिटी एवरीवेयर यू गेट, सॉफ्ट टच मटीरियल्स, द फिट एंड फिनिश, द डिज़ाइन, दे हैव रियली गॉन टू टाउन. बिकॉज अनलाइक द सील सेडान, यहाँ पे कुछ क्वर्की एलिमेंट्स उन्होंने हटा दिए. इट्स प्रॉपर लग्जरी. आई लव the way the cabin is put out, the design elements, everything is very nice. It feels luxury car, and of course you get a lot of features, and the big talking point is most of them are in this massive touchscreen, which is rotatable, typical BYD style. एक चीज़ मैं कहूँगा कि सारे फंक्शंस टच स्क्रीन में है, फिजिकल कंट्रोल्स थोड़े कम है, आई वुड हैव वांटेड बिट मोर एंड इट इज़ स्लाइटली बिट कंफ्यूजिंग टू यूज़, सेम फॉर द डिजिटल कस्टम विच हैज़ वे टू मच इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट द कैबिन इज़ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, फास्ट चार्जर आपको मिलता है, मैसिव फिक्स्ड ग्लास रूफ, थैंकफुली अनलाइक द सील सेडान विच ऑब्वियसली सील सेडान अब उन्होंने अपडेट किया है, यू गेट अ प्रॉपर कवर एज वेल, तो उसको गर्मियों में द हीट डज नॉट सीप इन, तो इट्स क्वाइट अ प्रैक्टिकल कार, ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, लगभग 170 mm का ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस भी मिलता है, तो इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फीचर्स, इट्स वेल पैकेज एंड इट इज़ रियली अ नाइस कार इन टर्म्स ऑफ बीइंग अ प्रॉपर लग्जरी कार वाइब एट दिस सेगमेंट। अब हम बात करते हैं iX1 लॉन्ग व्हील बेस के बारे में, काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट कार है इन टर्म्स ऑफ द लग्जरी सेगमेंट एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपैंडिंग द ईवी सेगमेंट, क्योंकि BMW हैज़ क्लियरली गॉन आफ्टर वॉल्यूम्स, क्योंकि लॉन्ग व्हील बेस इज टिपिकली द ऑप्शन दैट मोस्ट इंडियन लग्जरी कार बायर्स वांट व्हेन दे बाइंग देयर फर्स्ट कार, एंड X1 सेगमेंट में टिपिकली जहाँ पे लॉन्ग व्हील बेस नहीं आता उस सेगमेंट में भी उन्होंने X1 का लॉन्ग व्हील बेस वर्जन उतारा है, एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली ओनली इन EV फॉर्म. And also interesting is the pricing which I mentioned earlier, 49 lakh rupees. So what do you get in the iX1 long wheelbase? Well, पहली बात, instead of the imported short wheelbase iX1 यहाँ पे single motor हो गया है. That means power has gone down when compared to the dual motor iX1, but again it's 204 bhp and it uses a 66.4 lithium ion battery pack और 530 का range है claimed. So let's talk about the driving experience first of all. Now अगर आपको लगेगा शायद पावर कम है, but it's not actually that. 204 bhp is ample. It might seem less when compared to other EVs, but it is pretty I would say ample in terms of power output. आप जब चलाओगे आपको ऐसे नहीं लगेगा कि भाई इसमें पावर कम है. It's got ample amount of power. Even in the eco mode it is smooth, and I really like the way BMW has done the acceleration ताकि it's tuned towards comfort. This is a BMW which is tuned towards comfort. Obviously single motor है compared to the something like the 3 series. यहाँ पे focus is a bit more on comfort, but it is still a proper BMW. Compared to SUV जो sits quite low, driving position is a bit more car-like, और यहाँ पे it feels quick enough. I mean you are not complaining about it slow, about being slow at all. So that is rounded off. एक और चीज़, range you will get near 400 which is more than good enough. और यहाँ पे कुछ और चीज़ें बताओ, लॉन्ग व्हील बेस के वजह से द राइड इज़ ऑल्सो बेटर दैन द डुअल मोटर iX1, तो थोड़ा सा लो स्पीड देयर इज़ दैट फर्मनेस, टिपिकल BMW फर्मनेस आपको मिलता है, बट दैट असाइड इट्स मच मोर कंफर्टेबल, और लॉन्ग व्हील बेस की वजह से स्पेस इज़ रियली गुड. इनफैक्ट इफ यू कंपेयर टू दीज 3 कार्स इट हैज़ द बेस्ट रियर सीट एक्सपीरियंस. तो येस, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ BMW वेयर फोकस इज बिट मोर ऑन कंफर्ट, बट इट स्टिल अपील्स टू द ड्राइवर इन यू. अगर मैं इंटीरियर के बारे में बताऊँ, जस्ट लाइक द अदर कार्स, यहाँ पे फोकस इज ऑन द टच स्क्रीन. दिस इज़ द लेटेस्ट iDrive विच BMW यूजेज, तो सारे फीचर्स अब टच स्क्रीन में आ चुका है, विच मीन्स इवन द AC कंट्रोल्स आर इन अ टच स्क्रीन नाउ, so you do have to get used to it, but the design of the cabin is really nice as well. Typical BMW design trait hai, and all that is remains, but the focus here is on space and a smooth kind of driving experience. So us मामले में iX1 with the long wheelbase version is more tuned towards the chauffeur driven client, unlike the other two. Now let's talk about the Volvo C40, the gorgeous C40. Now this is the coupe version. It's only available in electric form. अगर बैटरी पैक के बारे में बताओ, 78 किलोवाट आवर बैटरी पैक, NMC बैटरी पैक है. पावर अगेन लॉट ऑफ पावर अवेलेबल इन डुअल मोटर्स. 78 किलोवाट आवर बैटरी पैक है, लॉट्स ऑफ पावर, मोर देन 400 bhp. तो 0 to 100 इज़ very quick, and that's the big one of the hallmarks of this car is that it is very fast and very fun to drive. तो dual motors के वजह से performance is very brisk, but what I really like is the steering feel. It feels quite nice, progressive, and Volvo has been doing electric cars for a while now, and you can sense it. The way the acceleration is very fast, but even in the typical eco comfort mode, it's a bit tapered down. So it's fast when you want it, otherwise it's not. I really like the beautiful sort of vegan interior जहाँ पे there is no leather involved, even though touchscreen is a bit on the smaller side when compared to some of the other newer cars. So the touchscreen is a bit small but works quite well. I really like the design, the quality is of course tough, top notch. It's as you expect from a Volvo. Lots of tech, but also some minimalism. For example, there is no start-stop button here, which is quite cool as well. So it's a sort of EV that focuses on performance, but also minimalistic luxury. That's what Volvo is about. Drive is certainly, अगर मैं बताऊँ performance के बारे में, it's really fast. Ground clearance is decent. But the ride is a bit more firm. It's more tuned towards performance side of things. एक चीज़ बताओ, due to the coupe-like styling, rearward visibility is a bit compromised. But otherwise, it looks really great thanks to this coupe-like styling. The design, its feature, it has it all. But again, it's tuned towards self-driving. The range is also quite good. You will easily get 400. So overall, the C40 is a stylish coupe SUV that focuses on performance. Time आ चुका है for the verdict. So what do you really think about this car? Well, if you ask me, these three cars show that the electric luxury segment is changing and luxury is now becoming electric. And honestly speaking, these three cars are much more desirable than petrol diesel luxury SUVs, especially at this price point. तो अगर आप अपनी पहली luxury car देख रहे थे, these three are fantastic options. So let me just give you an overall heads up. So the C-Line 7, I love the way the car looks. Great to drive, features quality cabin, one of the best cabins at this price point, and a fantastic performance on offer. So yes, it's definitely one for drivers. The BMW, surprisingly, it's the one if you want a bit more comfort. Agar aap, you sit at the back, a bit more comfort, relaxed. That's what the X1 long wheelbase is, and that is surprising because BMW is typically जिनको चलाना पसंद है. This is not that. This is something different, and that is good because BMW is targeting the mass market of the luxury segment. And let me talk about the sexy looking C40. It looks really great, and I think this is more again towards the self-driven thing. तो अगर आप electric luxury में चाहते हैं something which looks really cool, something which has a lot of tech and performance, and something with more comfort, these three cover it all, and these three are aimed at different buyer bases also.